Hello everyone, I'm Francesca, and in this video I'll introduce you to innovative pedagogies designed to engage and energize educators and their students. In this video, we'll begin by discussing the need to reimagine pedagogical approaches in higher education. Next, we'll introduce 4 clusters of innovative pedagogies. We'll then explore hero pedagogies and finally community and solidarity pedagogies as frameworks to support community participatory development. As teachers and facilitators, I am sure we all care deeply about learning. Some of us might also enjoy stories. My story starts with the Beatles' Obla-Di, Obla-Da. I was delivering a first-year class for bachelor students, and the topic was education and transformation. We were working on service learning projects. The students worked in teams and designed projects based on community needs. At the end of the class, I had them play Snakes and Ladders. The last challenge in the game was to sing a song. And we chose Obla-Di, Obla-Da together. We sang it, and it was the last class before the pandemic hit. A couple of years later, one of the students from that class sent me a message saying, "Teacher, I just listened to that song, Obla-Di, Obla-Da, and I thought that the course we had together had duende." To build on the Obla-Di, Obla-Da story, to make an impact, we need transformational pedagogical encounters that enable dialogue with classmates, peers, and community members. Pedagogy is inherently relational. Both teachers and learners undergo transformation through their interactions, learning from each other. The dynamic tension between individual and collective transformation defines these encounters. Our inner lives shape and are shaped by our environments. The classic pedagogical triangle consists of students, teachers, and knowledge. Teaching and learning both draw from and contribute to the knowledge commons. Through these encounters, education connects us to humanity's shared heritage of accumulated knowledge, offering opportunities to enrich it. Today, we must envision this triangle within a broader context. We need pedagogies that enable us to learn with and in the world and to improve it. These pedagogies should teach us to respect the dignity of every person and the achievements of freedom of thought, while also challenging human exceptionalism and possessive individualism. They should be grounded in ethics of reciprocity and care, recognizing the interdependencies among individuals, groups, and species. They should help us appreciate what we share in common and the systemic interdependencies that connect us to each other and the planet. Together, teachers and students must form a community of knowledge seekers and builders, both drawing from and enriching humanity's knowledge commons. This requires us to consider both what exists and what can be created, recognizing that everyone, teachers and students alike, has the right to see themselves as capable of generating knowledge collaboratively. A recent article in the Journal of Active Learning in Higher Education identifies 4 clusters or categories of pedagogies based on what students perceived as innovative and transformative learning experiences. This model categorizes 4 clusters of innovative pedagogies along 3 axes: people, places, and future. Each cluster has a specific theme and direction for future educational practices. Community and solidarity pedagogies are built on the themes of empathy and sustainability. The focus of these pedagogies is to emphasize building strong community ties and fostering solidarity among learners, which is critical for addressing sustainability challenges. Main characteristics include collaboration, community engagement, and collective learning experiences. Technology-enhanced pedagogies comprise the themes of technology and future. The focus is to integrate advanced technologies to enhance the learning experience and prepare students for a tech-driven future. Characteristics include the use of digital tools, online learning platforms, and interactive technologies to support education. Hero pedagogies are developed on the themes of empathy and individual engagement. These pedagogies leverage storytelling and emotional engagement to create meaningful and transformative educational experiences. Characteristics refer to personal narratives, emotional connections, and inspiring individual journeys in learning. Finally, sustainable green pedagogies encompass the themes of ecosystems and sustainability. These pedagogies are centered on environmental consciousness and sustainability, teaching students to be responsible stewards of the planet. Characteristics include activities related to ecological conservation, sustainable practices, and green initiatives. This model suggests that future educational practices should integrate these innovative pedagogies to address both individual and collective needs while promoting sustainability and leveraging technology. By doing so, education can prepare learners to thrive in a complex and interconnected world. Let's take a closer look at the clusters of hero pedagogies and community and solidarity pedagogies. Hero pedagogies is an innovative cluster of teaching approaches that places a strong emphasis on fostering empathy and nurturing the concept of duende within the educational context. These pedagogies aim to cultivate a transformative learning experience that goes beyond traditional methods by integrating elements of storytelling, empathy building, and personal growth. At the core of hero pedagogies is the cultivation of empathy, encouraging students to develop a deep understanding of others' perspectives and experiences. By engaging in activities that promote empathy, such as role-playing, immersive narratives, and reflective discussions, students are encouraged to step into the shoes of others, fostering compassion and a broader sense of social responsibility. Another key aspect of hero pedagogies is the concept of duende, which encompasses a heightened sense of passion, authenticity, and creativity. Teachers utilizing hero pedagogies inspire students to embrace their unique talents, passions, and creativity, fostering an environment that encourages risk-taking and the exploration of personal strengths. This approach empowers students to take ownership of their learning journey and express themselves authentically. In a hero pedagogies classroom, traditional boundaries between subjects may be blurred, as interdisciplinary approaches are employed to tackle real-world challenges. Students engage in collaborative projects, problem-solving activities, and creative endeavors that require them to draw upon multiple disciplines and perspectives. This interdisciplinary approach promotes critical thinking, creativity, and the development of well-rounded individuals equipped to address complex issues in the world. In summary, hero pedagogies serve as a catalyst for personal and societal transformation, empowering students to become empathetic, creative, and socially conscious individuals. By integrating empathy and duende into the educational process, this cluster of pedagogies aims to create a nurturing learning environment that encourages students to embrace their inner hero, unlocking their full potential and fostering a lifelong love of learning. Community and solidarity pedagogies form a dynamic cluster of innovative teaching approaches that center around fostering a sense of community, emphasizing solidarity, and embracing the concept of ecosystems within the educational realm. These pedagogies aim to cultivate a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of individuals, communities, and the broader social and natural environments. At the core of this cluster is the belief in the transformative power of community. These pedagogies emphasize the creation of inclusive and collaborative learning communities where students, educators, and the wider society actively engage in meaningful interactions. By nurturing a sense of belonging and encouraging active participation, these pedagogies foster a supportive and empowering educational environment. In addition, community and solidarity pedagogies place a strong emphasis on solidarity, which involves a commitment to social justice, empathy, and collective responsibility. Students are encouraged to develop a critical understanding of societal issues and to actively engage in projects and initiatives that address these challenges. This pedagogical cluster promotes a sense of agency and empowers students to become active contributors to positive social change. An essential aspect of these pedagogies is their focus on ecosystems. Recognizing the intricate interdependencies between human communities and the natural world, community and solidarity pedagogies encourage ecological consciousness and sustainability. By exploring the complex relationships between individuals, societies, and the environment, students gain a holistic understanding of the challenges and opportunities present in their local and global ecosystems. Moreover, community and solidarity pedagogies embrace the concept of the third mission in education. Beyond the traditional roles of teaching and research, these pedagogies emphasize the importance of universities and educational institutions actively engaging with the wider community. This involvement includes collaborations with community organizations, businesses, and other stakeholders to address societal needs and foster mutually beneficial partnerships. If you want to explore further into pedagogies that shape learning in, with, and for society, check out UNESCO's reports on a new social contract for education and the futures of education. Additionally, to learn more about the 4 clusters of innovative pedagogies discussed in this video, read the article titled Picturing Innovation in Higher Education, a photo voice study of innovative pedagogies, published in the Active Learning in Higher Education journal. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in community engagement. Visit the PromEnhance website at www.promenhance.eu to learn more great stories of community engagement.